Learn Italian polite requests. May I equals
Posso.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, great to have you here. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and printables. Today you will master the polite Italian opener may I, which is
Posso.
Think of it as your golden key for everyday requests, windows, seats, pens, coffee, you name it. Your goal today. By the end, you can ask smoothly and confidently, with a smile. Ready to charm Italy, one polite question at a time? Your mission. Use
Posso.
in 3 everyday situations, asking to open a window, to sit, and to borrow something. Bonus. You will hear softer and formal flavors like
Potrei.
and,
Mi è permesso.
forms and nuance. Let's get the flavors right. Short, sweet, and super useful. Direct but polite.
Posso.
Example.
Posso. Aprire. La finestra?
Equals may I open the window? Softer, more tentative.
Potrei.
Example.
Potrei. Sedere. Qui?
Equals could I sit here? Formal phrase.
Mi è permesso.
Example.
Mi è permesso. Usare. Il telefono?
Equals am I allowed to use the phone? Pro tip. Don't mix up
Posso.
I can, may I, with
Può.
he, she, you formal can. For yourself, stick with
Posso.
mini dialogues you can steal. Borrow these lines like a pro, politely, of course. In a classroom, you.
Posso. Aprire. La finestra?
Teacher.
Certo.
On the bus, you.
Posso. Sedere. Qui?
Stranger.
Sì. Prego.
At work, you.
Posso. Prendere in prestito? La tua penna?
Colleague.
Vai pure.
At the library, you.
Posso. Usare. Questa sedia?
Librarian.
Sì. Accomodati.
At a door, you.
Posso. Entrare.
Inside voice.
Prego. Entra.
Rhythm, gesture, and memory hook. Make it musical and your brain will dance along. 2-beat motif. Posso? Posso? Say.
Posso.
With a rising question tone. Gesture. Raise your hand slightly, palm up, and ask.
Posso.
Mnemonic. P equals permission.
Posso.
Equals permission, please? Image. A giant golden key labeled.
Posso.
Unlocking every door. Silly? Yes. Memorable? Also yes. Culture tip. Small words, big courtesy. Blend in like a local with one tiny habit. When entering a shop or someone's space, Italians might say,
Permesso?
it pairs beautifully with your new magic phrase.
Posso. Entrare.
Picture the smell of fresh coffee as you ask a barista.
Posso. Aggiungere zucchero?
Then enjoy the sweet yes.
Certo.
Speed drills. Ready for quick swaps? Listen, then repeat. May I open the window?
Posso. Aprire. La finestra?
May I sit here?
Posso. Sedere. Qui?
May I borrow your pen?
Posso. Prendere in prestito? La tua penna?
Could I use your phone?
Potrei. Usare. Il tuo telefono?
Am I allowed to enter now?
Mi è permesso. Entrare. Adesso?
Funny break. Because laughter glues vocab to your memory. Imagine a door wearing sunglasses that refuses to open until you say the magic words.
Posso.
The door sighs, lowers its shades, and whispers back.
Certo. Avanti.
Smooth. Quick quiz. Answer out loud. I'm totally listening with my podcast Super Hearing. How do you say, may I, in Italian? Pause. Answer.
Posso.
Softer version of, may I? Pause. Answer.
Potrei.
Complete it. May I borrow your pen?
Posso prendere in prestito la tua penna?
True or false?
Può.
Means, may I? Pause. Answer. False. Use.
Posso.
Your turn. Micro challenge. Time to use it in the wild, well, in your room, but still heroic. Point to something near you and ask permission out loud using.
Posso.
For example.
Posso usare questa sedia?
Level up. Make it softer with.
Potrei.
Example.
Potrei aprire la finestra?
Formal twist.
Mi è permesso.
Example.
Mi è permesso entrare.
Wrap up and thank you. Nice work, your politeness power just leveled up. Remember, your all-purpose polite key is
Posso
keep drilling with quick everyday wishes.
aprire, sedere, prendere in prestito, usare, entrare.
Thanks for listening. Practice daily, stay curious, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, quizzes, and printables. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo.